In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money with USAA, including internal transfers, external bank transfers, and account ownership changes. First, sign in to your USAA account, either on the website or in the mobile app. Once you're in, take a moment to decide what kind of action you need: a simple funds transfer between your USAA accounts, a transfer to an account at another bank, or an ownership change for things like adding a joint owner or updating beneficiaries. Knowing this upfront makes the next steps straightforward. If you're moving money between USAA accounts, head to Transfer and Pay and choose Move Money. Pick your From account and your To account, then enter the amount you want to move and the date you want it to happen. Pause to review everything carefully: account selections, dollar amount, and timing, so the funds land exactly where and when you expect. When it looks good, confirm and submit. You'll typically see a confirmation on screen, and internal transfers often process quickly, though timing can vary based on the date and time you submit. If you're sending money to another bank, go to Transfer and Pay and select Transfer to another bank. You'll be asked for the external bank's routing number and the account number. Enter those details carefully. Even a small typo can misdirect your funds. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and submit. Processing times to outside banks can take longer than internal transfers, so plan ahead if you have a deadline. You may also see limits or security checks depending on your account and activity. For ownership changes, like adding a joint owner or setting beneficiaries, this isn't something you complete in the transfer screens. Contact USAA member services by phone or through a secure message. They'll let you know exactly what documentation they need, such as identification and any required forms. Complete any requested signatures or forms promptly so there are no delays. This step ensures your accounts are set up correctly and that access and payout preferences reflect your intentions. After you finish any transfer or ownership update, confirm it's complete. Check your account history to verify that the transaction posted, or look for